everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a princess. And a lot of you have been requesting for me to go slower, so that's what I'll be doing today. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is draw a big cross on your paper. After this, you want to draw the following small lines on your cross. These are just guidelines, and they will help with the placement of the nose and the mouth. For the head, you want to draw an upside down egg shape. So we will start with the chin and work our way up. Draw the sides of the face so that they are touching the horizontal line. After that, we can draw the lines for the neck. The ears will be aligned with the nose, so this red line will help guide you on where to place them. We won't be drawing the top parts because her hair will be covering them. After you're done with that, go ahead and darken all the lines you've put down so far. Here I'm drawing two vertical lines on each side of the face, and these lines are equal distance to the line in the center, and they will help guide us draw the eyes as well as the nose. Once you've drawn them, you can erase whatever is in the middle. For the nose, you want to draw two C shapes. On the inside, you want to draw a stretched out U shape. Just note that I will be erasing the guidelines as I go, so pay attention to when I've erased them. Now I'm drawing a small oval shape underneath the nose. For the top lip, you want to draw a stretched out M shape. And then underneath that, draw a line that is similar for the center of the mouth. To complete it, just draw a curve for the bottom lip. You can also slightly lift the corners of the mouth to make it look like she's smiling. To make the nose look more dimensional, draw the following small lines on your paper. For the eyes, we're going to draw two almond shapes. I like to draw the eyes one line at a time so I can make sure it's symmetric on both sides. The best way to draw the eyes is to replicate what you see on the screen. So first, I'm starting off with the tear ducts. And now you want to draw a circle for the iris. But notice how the top part is slightly cut off. Now we will do the same thing on the other side. Inside of that circle, you want to draw another circle and color it in, but leave a little space for the highlight. I am now slightly winging out the eyes on both sides. On top of the eyes, we will draw the eyelids. And now we can start with my favorite part, which is the lashes. For the lashes, you want to do small strokes and make sure that they are curved and not sticking straight up. This will make it look like it's following the shape of the eye and make it look more realistic. We will do the same thing for the bottom lashes, but make them less long and less intense. After you're done, you can once again go back and darken all the lines you've drawn so far. You can also shade in the iris for both eyes. For the eyebrows, I like to draw a thin line to sketch out the initial shape and placement of them. Once I've done this on both sides and made sure that they look even, I go back and thicken them as well as darken them. Once you've drawn the second line, you can erase part of the first line to make it look like bangs. For the earrings, first draw little circles on both ears. I'm going to complete the ears by drawing two S shapes on the inside of them. Now, if you want, you can give her long dangly earrings. So just draw two rectangles coming down from the circle. And then on the ends of them, draw two small hearts. Now you can slightly shade in the lips. You can draw the tiara whichever way you'd like, or you can follow what I did, which was very simple. So I can't explain this part very well, but if you watch the screen, you should be able to replicate it. The last thing I did was add these 4 lines to finish off the tiara. And now our princess is complete. So if you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Also, I would love to see your artwork. If any of you attempted this or any of my other tutorials, send me a picture of it at isketchrandom@gmail.com.